Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Monsoon is here full force. It's beautiful. I love this time of the year. Also, it can get a little annoying, a little mucky, a little dull and gloomy and slimy, and you get the drift. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 beauty and health tips that's gonna make your monsoon a lot more enjoyable. Before that, guys, if this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello, I am Jovita, and I would love it if you click that subscribe button underneath this video. Join my family, so every time I upload a video, it will come on your feed. And also, by the end of this video, if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Click that thumbs up button just underneath this video, somewhere right there, I don't know. Let's get started. For the very first tip, we are gonna dive straight into a health tip. I don't see many people talk about this, but this is so important. A lot of girls do not know about this. I think I've given enough introduction about this particular tip, but that is to wear only cotton underwear during this entire season. Actually, cotton underwear is the best way to go throughout the year, but if you can choose a season for cotton underwear, it would be monsoon and then summer. Because if you wear lycra or lace or any synthetic material, guys, it's not gonna absorb the wow, this is getting awkward, but well, the cotton one basically is gonna keep your skin dry and comfortable, and it's gonna leave you with less irritation, it's gonna leave you with less rashes, it's gonna leave you a lot more comfortable down there. It's for your basically in comfortable language, for your down there skin, cotton is the best material. So go for something very simple, very minimal. Don't go for very tight underwears either. Make it comfortable and make it cotton. You will thank me. Trust me. Ooh, that was a difficult one. It made me sweat. Speaking of, let's move into tip number 2, you guys. I don't know how long you've been following me, but I have made a couple of underarm health kind of videos in the past, and I've mentioned this particular hack before, but it's so amazing and it's so underrated. I had to bring back this hack, you guys. I do not use a deo. I do not like using deos. I do not like the idea of applying strong pore clogging, anti-sweat, perfumey chemicals in a very sensitive, delicate skin on your body on a daily basis. You know what's amazeballs, guys? This little puppy right here, Nimbu, lemon, naringa, I don't even know what to call it. And it's so easy to use. Just cut it up into a half just like this. And after your shower, squeeze out just a few drops and just pat it under your armpit like that's it, okay? And then, of course, I have to balance it out. Take a few drops. Now this remaining half, you can leave it back in the fridge until you completely squeeze it out. And obviously let it dry completely. It might be a little sticky, a little stingy for the first couple of minutes, and then you will not even feel it on your underarms. This is gonna leave you feeling fresh, lemony fresh all day long until your next shower the next day, okay? I cannot stress enough how effective this is. It doesn't matter how bad and how strong your body odor is. It doesn't matter if you're a girl or a guy, if you're a kid or teenager, someone in their late 50s, everybody can use this particular hack and it works amazingly. Just try it. And once you try it, guys, I want you to come back to this video and leave your feedback down in the comment section below, okay? And also, at that point, give this video a thumbs up because I know it's gonna work magical. Oh, an added benefit, if you have discolored underarms, this is also gonna brighten up that area, so yeah. Next up, let's move into the beauty aspect of the tips of this video. Whoa, that was a long introduction. All my intros have been pretty long in this video so far, huh? Anyways, number 3, guys. During monsoon, I've noticed that our skin kind of looks very tired, very dull the whole day. Like soon after you wash your face, you're like all fresh and nice and bouncy and glowy, and 5 minutes later, you feel like you just ran a marathon, right? Here is an instant, minimal way to freshen up your face and keep it looking fresh all day long. And all you need is just one product, guys, and that is a concealer. You can use a concealer that matches the color of your cheeks. This particular color, naturally, whatever that color, that is the color of your concealer ideally. Now, if you have really bad under eye circles, you might want to color correct it with a little bit of orange color corrector underneath. I have many videos on how to do that correctly. But otherwise, I'm assuming that your level of under eye circle is just like a regular human level of under eye circle, all you have to do is apply a little bit of concealer right underneath your eyes. Just a dab, guys. Forget what you've seen on Instagram. Forget what you've seen other YouTubers do. All you need is a small little dab right in your inner corner and maybe one dot just over here on the hollow of your eyes. And then you can definitely spread it out using your fingers. If that's your jam, go for it. Or if you have a beauty blender or a brush, just gently tap it into your skin, blend it out into the apples of your cheek, and that's it. You do not need that whole Instagrammer, Kim Kardashian, inverted triangle, all the way concealer. You do not need all that. You just need a little bit in your inner corner and tap it out. Now, here's how you make it bulletproof, sweat-proof, rain-proof, emotion-proof for the rest of the day. Take a little bit of loose powder or any powder for that matter, and with a damp beauty blender or any beauty sponge, tap that powder into this concealer to make sure that 1, it sets in place, 2, it does not crease, and 3, it lasts all day, keeping you looking fresh for the entire day. Now here is a bonus tip beauty wise. Now you can definitely leave this as it is. This is going to instantly freshen you up. As you can see, here's the before and here's the after. If you want to bring a little bit more attention to your eyes at this point, you can use a mascara to lightly coat your lashes and bring back the definition to your lashes, because when you apply concealer and powder, sometimes, you know, the powder and concealer coats your lashes and kind of makes you look very ghostly. So yeah, apply a tiny little bit of mascara. It can be waterproof because, you know, monsoon and all that. I prefer regular mascara because I really go for a very light layer of mascara. It's not gonna run, and that's it. You're gonna look fresh all day. You know, the whole secret behind having flawless makeup for monsoon is minimal products, minimal layers, minimal amount of product on your face, and it's gonna look beautiful, non-cakey, and fresh all day then. So minimal is the key. Tip number 4, I'm gonna recommend ditching that whole thick, pouty lips for this monsoon. Instead, why don't you opt for a stained look? You can do that without buying 100 different new lip products, you guys. You just need to take a red lipstick that you already have, alright? And instead of applying it straight from the bullet onto your lips, what you have to do is take a little bit of that lipstick on your finger and then slowly start dabbing it onto your lips. You can even smear it with your fingers. Make sure that your lips are evenly coated, and this is gonna give you a very bitten, stained, rosy lips. And if you have picked a long-lasting lipstick like the one that I've used here, I will leave all the links of the products I've used. This stain is gonna last you all day long, you know. And to take this a little further, with whatever lipstick is left on your fingers, instead of wiping it down your pajama, guys, just tap it into the apples of your cheeks. And don't stop there. Take it down the bridge of your nose. Now here is a tip that you might have not probably heard ever. Whatever is remaining on your fingertips, take it down at the bridge of your nose, and again, once again, it gives you a very rosy, flushed, fresh look, and this lasts all day long. All day long. And also, guys, I have an affiliate code with Lakme now. The code is Jovita Lakme. You get a 20% discount on Lakme's website. So you can pick whatever product that's already not on discount and you can get a 20% discount. All you have to do is put in the code Jovita Lakme at checkout. Boom! There you go. It is an affiliate code. So yeah, if you don't like that concept, you don't have to use it at all. And finally, tip number 5, we have to cover the hair base as well, right? Now, one thing I hate about monsoon is the humidity and how frizzy my hair gets. I have a whole video on how I like to tame my frizz, and I will link that right here. All the tips in that video definitely still holds true, but I wanted something a little bit stronger, and I was also experimenting with other DIYs, and I came across flaxseed gel, guys, and I have fallen in love with it. This is a 2-in-1 DIY. 1 is going to take away that frizz and add shine, and 2, it's also going to promote hair growth. I mean, how insane is that? A hair gel that's going to promote hair growth, and you can make this in the comfort of your own home. Now, how you make this, I like to use the non-boil method. It takes you a couple of days, but it's gonna make sure that all the nutrients in it is not destroyed by the heat, you know? So all you have to take, guys, is a little bit of flaxseed, put it in a little bit of water. I also like to add an orange peel into it because that gives a beautiful fragrance. And I also like to add a teaspoon of fenugreek in it because fenugreek is absolutely wonderful for hair growth, because we will be applying this on the scalp as well. Now, leave this water mixture in the fridge for 2 days, and then you can put it into an old stocking, squeeze it out, and here we have our DIY flaxseed gel, which is just, I'm blown away. I'm amazed. the shine it gives, the way it takes down frizz, and it is also promoted so much. I have so much baby hair, guys. I will show that in another video that I'm planning on making maybe a month from now. I'm trying a lot of different things to help me grow back my hair because I lost a lot of hair with stress and blah, blah, blah. That's not the point of this video, but try it. So there we have it, guys. 5 beauty and health tips with a lot of bonus tips like kind of sandwiched in between. I hope that you liked this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please, like I said, that thumbs up, guys. Also, let me know which of these tips are you most excited to try, and I want you to tell me now some monsoon tips from you to me, okay? Help me out here as well. Alrighty then. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you on my Instagram. I hope you have a great day, you guys. I really hope you do. I love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.